Most guys think shoes don't really matter. They'll have one pair of sneakers, some old dress shoes, and flip-flops for the summer, and call it a day. The truth is, shoes are the first thing people notice. They can make your whole outfit look sharp, or they can ruin it. Picture this. You've got a crisp shirt, jeans that fit well, even a solid haircut. But if your shoes look clunky or outdated, the whole look falls apart. On the other hand, the right shoes make you look stylish without trying too hard. They're the detail that separates men who just get dressed from men who look put together. So let's go through 9 shoes every man should own and a few to avoid. Once you understand this, your style changes completely. First, white sneakers. Simple, clean white sneakers go with almost everything. Jeans, chinos, even casual suits. The key is keeping them clean. Scuffed or yellowed sneakers make you look careless. Go for a low-profile pair without big logos or flashy colors. A pair of wipes or a magic eraser will keep them looking sharp. Second, brown leather brogues. These are your go-to when you need to look polished for an interview, a wedding, or a dinner date. Brown is more versatile than black. Pick a medium or dark brown with rounded toes. Avoid square toes. They look cheap and dated. Take care of the leather, and these shoes will last you years. Third, black dress shoes. Even if you don't wear them often, you need one good pair for formal events like funerals, weddings, or conservative workplaces. Choose classic black Oxfords, or derbies with a slim, elegant shape. Stay away from shiny, stiff leather or square toes. Use them only when the occasion calls for it, so they always look sharp. Fourth, Chelsea boots. These instantly upgrade your look. They're slim, ankle-high, and easy to wear. Suede pairs work well for casual outfits like jeans and a jacket. Leather pairs are great with trousers or even suits. Keep them sleek and simple. Avoid bulky versions that look more like costume boots. Fifth, desert boots, also called chukkas. These are the perfect middle ground between sneakers and dress shoes. They're casual but still smart. Suede versions add texture and work beautifully with jeans or chinos. Stick to neutral colors like tan, navy, or gray. Bright colors look cheap and try hard. Sixth, loafers. Loafers are effortless. You slip them on and they instantly make you look sharper. They're perfect for spring and summer with chinos or even tailored shorts. Go for penny loafers in brown or burgundy. Avoid shiny plastic leather or chunky designs. Wear them with invisible socks in warm weather for a clean, modern look. Seventh, rugged boots. Every man should have a solid pair of lace-up leather boots. They're durable, masculine, and versatile. Wear them with jeans, a flannel, or a casual jacket. Choose brown or tan leather and avoid oversized military-style boots unless you actually need them for work. A good pair will last for years and make you look dependable. Eighth, running shoes. Yes, you need them, but keep them for the gym or running. They're built for performance, not style. Neon trainers with jeans always look sloppy. Have a dedicated pair for training and leave them out of your everyday outfits. Ninth, the shoes to avoid. These drag your style down instantly. Square-toed dress shoes look outdated. Overly bulky sneakers look messy. Cheap flip-flops belong at the beach, not in the city. Pointy shoes that look exaggerated or cartoonish don't make you look stylish either. Stick with simple, timeless designs in quality materials.